Now we have corners options here. So for that, sketch on front plane, and draw a rectangle. Now in sheet metal tab, select base flange command and extrude it according to your design. Now select edge flange command, this edge, this edge and this edge. Press OK button. You can see here is the rip. So drop down this corners options. First option is closed corner. Select it. This box is asking you about faces to extend. So if you want to extend this face, click and see these faces are extending. So type of extension and distance. So choose 0.1 millimeter gap distance, and rest of the options review them by yourself and press OK button to apply this command. So next option in corners is welded corner. Select it. In the first box, it will ask you side faces to be welded. Select this face. Now click on this box and then select the stopping point. Here is the fillet radius and rest of the options like add weld symbol. Now press OK button to apply this command. Now close it. After weld corners, there is break corner or corner trim. Click on this option. Now click on this corner and then on this corner. So these corners are cutted or trimmed. Type of cutting or trimming: if you want a linear cut, click on this box, or you want some type of fillet, click on this. Here is the size, then press OK button to apply it. After that, we have corner relief. Click here, then zoom in. Press this button, select all corners. Type of relief: rectangular or circular. Scroll down and dimension. Select your own and then 0.1. Now press OK button to apply this command. Now you can see, if I press Ctrl plus Z or undo, now you can see the difference.